So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here I'm going to tell you how you can create your website with the help of AI within less than 1 minute. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the website name is Durable, and just you are going to come here to the Durable login and then log in your account with Durable. So this is an AI site that helps you to create your website within less than 1 minute. So just I will enter the password and just will sign in into the account using our Gmail. So it is redirecting us to the website, and just I will show you how we can create our website in less than 1 minute. So here there is a create new business, then just will click here allow, and we'll say our website is e-commerce, or we can say name of a website is get algo trades, and just will tell here that our website is related to finance planning, and here the location is Pune division, Maharashtra. So we are getting sign in into the website that is create new business. So just will wait here for 30 to 40 seconds, then it will redirect us. Just see I have created here getalgotrade.durable.co, and just you can see guys here the website has been created with the help of Durable AI website generator. So here we can say, let's say you want to edit the website, then here they have given you an option to edit the website, and yes, our website is ready within 30 seconds. So yeah, this was the video how you can create a website using the Durable app, and just you can tell the AI that your business is related to particular niche. Like I have told now to the website that it is related to trading, then we have taken selected the finance category, and here the website is ready for us. And let's say now I have regenerated the website. So they have even given the option of free generation of an website if you didn't like the outlook, and here it is. Just you can see the website has been regenerated, and just you can see here, let's say if you do not like this section, or if you wanted to add a new section, then you can click here onto this button, and then just you can select here device, how it is going to look onto the phone. It will show you the layout of our website. So this was the tool named as durable.co. Here you can explore many of the things, and you can create a website for your business within 30 seconds. And now I have came to the website where it will actually look like this. Just you can see the plans your finances in Pune with Get Algo Trade. And just see guys, even the content has been created by this website. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos related to AI tools and the ChatGPT mostly. And here is our website. Just I would like to give overview. So if you wanted to learn how you can use ChatGPT, I have created a course for you. So mastering ChatGPT and 101 different ways to make money using the ChatGPT, and already 650 students have registered, even 142 people have rated 5 stars. So you can come to the website that is aiconvo.in. You can go through the overview of the course, and then you can come here through the curriculum, And just you can see here I have created the ChatGPT as an advertiser, then UX developer, life coach, etc, etc, in 101 different professions. So please come to the website, and if you use code Elon20 you will get rupees 400 off, and this course is really worth it. So do check it out, and please let me know the review of the course. So thank you for watching the video. Till then I will meet you into the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.